Thanksgiving is practically here. This is the week when most people head outside, take a deep breath of rich fall air, then dive into a musty shed to see what happened to the deep fryer. Here's a tip. Don't tell your family you found it covered in rust and rat droppings. Instead, let them think you used a special rub or a marinade. Now, I don't give a crap about the turkey, so I turn my attention to the bar. This week, we need to mix up something extra special. I'm going to whip up a drink called 3 A's in a Manhattan. But first, I just got off the phone. Not only is the wife's family coming up for Thanksgiving, my family is coming up too. So I'm going to need an extra strong victory shot. And if it doesn't take me out, maybe, just maybe, the buzz will linger until everybody goes home. Damn! Somebody needs to make that colonel a general. The 3 A's in Manhattan go as followed: ambush, assault, assholes. And all 3 can be found around your Thanksgiving table. In fact, you may need 3 of these to get through Thanksgiving dinner. Let's mix it up and see what we think. The first thing is a pinch of Margarita salt. Oh yeah, baby. The first A, 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. And our second A, a ½ ounce of Amaro, and we're going to use Cynar. The third A, an apricot liqueur or an apricot brandy. And make that a ½ ounce. And 2 ounces of a rye. And yes, we have to first take a shot. Rittenhouse. I think that's written on the walls of the house. Garnish with an orange peel. And this is the 3 A's in Manhattan. And may it help you get through a happy Thanksgiving. Today's word of wisdom is blessed. During the holidays, when families gather around the dinner table, they hold hands over the table while saying we're so blessed to be together today. Yet under the table, they're kicking each other's shins. And under their breath, they're whispering the most awful and cutting remarks. Now, I conducted a survey with 0 response and found 9 out of 10 families have problems. Big problems. Honestly, if you weren't family members, would you even care to see each other? Or would you consider the other to be no different than the annoying person in the grocery store, blocking the aisle with a buggy turned 90 degrees? And yet, we say, we're blessed, at least while posing for the picture, so you can write about your blessings on Facebook. Or is that meta? Now, here at my house, we do not pretend to be blessed. We eat a meal in silence and then send people home. Why? Because I am most thankful for honesty. And the turkey gives me the farts. No one sticks around longer after dinner. The 3 A's in a Manhattan. The 3 A's that go into a Manhattan hat. Give me a second here. I'm good. The 3 A's in Manhattan go as followed.